Hello guys, so welcome to our channel regarding the product labeling and the traceability. So today we are demonstrating you regarding the product labeling along with the reporting system. So right in front of you, you have the system by Smart Weighing Scales and Systems, which is showing you the Black TL series, which is having the LCD display and the LED, and the labeling printer, the barcode label printer, and to my left side it's a reporting printer which will produce the complete packaging list of the all material packed. So all the industries who are packing their material using cores, coils or spools, and it can be anything, whether you are packaging the cotton yarn, polyester yarns, or copper or SS wires, or any material like foil, packaging material, wrapping sheets, whichever material is being packed using cores, spools or cores, and they are all the cores, spools are having their different tear weight. So this system is useful to all that industries who are using or packaging these products. So now let us see how this system works. I'll do the system little bit closer to the screen so that you can view what actually is being displayed on the screen. So this is the screen as you are seeing it of the Black TL. So it is attached to a keyboard also, wherein operator can enter the values using the keyboard. So this is the system, like we can scroll it down to any menu whichever we want. So we'll enter into the labeling mode. So while entering the labeling mode, it shows you the job number which is auto created by the smart terminal, and herein you can select your SKU. The all complete SKU list has been uploaded using the USB port in the terminal, and you can update your masters yourself, and you can create new or edit any master as per your choice. So I'll select the SKU number 1 and press the enter key. You are able to see like the item has been picked up from the master, that is poly yarn, description is green 0.45, and C is for the customer. If you have any customer, for any specific customer you are packaging this material, you can select in your customer. For example, I have set as customer 1 and enter. So the customer names comes as whatever has been set in the master. For in my case, it has set as to 12MJM. So the customer is 12MJM, item is poly yarn, description green 0.45, and SKU is 001. Now I'll press the F2 key. It will change the screen to mention the box weight and the roll weight. For example, the box into which I am packing the material, it might have 2 cores or 2 spools or 3 spools, any as per your product definition. So the box weight which I am using, the carton box, it is of 450 grams. So I enter the 450 grams, and the number of rolls going, or number of cores, number of spools going into that one carton box is, for example, 2. So I press the enter key. So it brings the total tear weight as 950 grams, because the spool weight was 250 gram as per the master. So there are 2 spools which are going into the one carton box, and one carton box is 450 grams. So total tear weight is 950 grams, and this is the container number 1, carton number 1. So this is the first carton that I am weighing of this particular job. So I put up a weight on a weighing scale. The scale can be of any capacity, any dimension. It can be attached to the smart ITL terminal. So you see, the moment I have kept the weight, it has printed a label. Now you will be able to see the weighing scale. This is a small demo weighing scale that I am using right now. So I have set the job for poly yarn, that is green 0.45, and I am putting all the master carton one by one. So here I put the carton box, and a label gets generated from the attached label printer. I pick this carton box again, then I enter one more carton box, and the label is printed. So what does information label has is, as you can see, it is having the brand name of the customer who is packing the material as Rotopixel. Then it is having the polyyarn, description green 0.05, product code, SKU code is P002, and the job number is auto generated by the system, that is 21B24, that is 24th of February year 21, and today's 7th job. Serial number of this particular carton is 3 of this job, and along with gross weight, tear weight, and the net weight along with the time. So these all parameters are being recorded into the ITL system also, and a label is also generated for a particular box. So this way, if you are dispatching your material or on the packaging station or either on the dispatch station, wherever you want to place this system, you can place it, and you can complete in your boxes by putting all the carton boxes one by one by setting up the job. In case you want to weigh the multiple SKUs to one customer, you can also change the product as per your master. So we'll do this thing. I press again F2. I set the SKU as 2. So you can see that I've selected a product name 1, which is for a particular customer, and the moment I have done all the weighing of all the carton boxes, I can close this job by using the escape key. I press the escape key, the system asks yes or no. I select yes, so last job closed, and the report gets printed automatically. The packing list is automatically generated from the list, that what all weighings and what all carton boxes I have packed for this particular job for this particular customer, and it is being generated from using the reporting printer of TVSC, which is model RP45. And you can generate the previous reports also. If you, in case you have lost the report, you can generate the previous reports also using the job number. So what is the packaging list is showing? Let us see. So it is showing all the job details like job number, item, description, code, date, along with the serial number that you have done 4 carton boxes. Each carton box is having their particular weights of, say, gross weight, tear weight, net weight, and it is showing the last total boxes as 4, total gross weight, total net weight. So this system by Smart can be customized as per your choice. Whatever way or whatever parameters as per your product can be set it into this. The label size can also be changed as per your choice, and we can customize it for you. So having any questions or any requirement for this kind of a system, you can contact the Smart Weighing Scales, that is Axis Electronics, based in New Delhi, and having their factory in Selaku industrial area, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So have a great day. Thank you.